Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Guide, your friendly space to learn English and prepare for the IELTS test with confidence. I'm your host, Sarah, an IELTS trainer, and today we have a special guest student joining us for a real IELTS speaking practice.
Hi, everyone. I'm Rafi, and I'm a bit nervous but also excited. I'm preparing for my IELTS test next month.
Don't worry, Rafi. That's completely normal. Today, we'll practice IELTS Speaking Part 1, one of the easiest yet most important sections. Our topic is daily routine. Ready?
Yes, let's do it.
All right, let's begin. Can you tell me about your daily routine?
Sure, I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and then have breakfast with my family. After that, I go to university.
That's great. And what do you usually do in the afternoon?
I like having breakfast with my family. It's a nice way to start my day and talk with my parents before we all get busy.
Lovely answer. Do you think your daily routine has changed in the last few years?
Yes, definitely. Before university, I used to wake up late and spend more time on social media. Now I have more responsibilities, so I try to manage my time better.
Good reflection. And how do weekends differ from weekdays for you?
On weekends, I wake up later. I spend time with my family, watch movies, and sometimes go out with friends. I also try to revise my English lessons.
Excellent. You're showing a nice balance of vocabulary and tenses. Okay, everyone, let's pause here. Rafi gave some really nice answers, clear, structured, and natural. But let's see how he could make his answer sound even better. Tip 1. Add linking words. Instead of saying, I wake up, then I take a shower, you can say, after waking up, I usually take a shower to feel fresh before starting my day. This sounds more fluent and natural. Tip 2. Use variety in vocabulary. Try using words like typically, usually, on weekdays, in the evenings. Example, I typically spend my evenings reading or listening to English podcasts. Tip 3. Use present simple and sometimes present perfect. For example, my routine has changed a lot since I started university. That's a Band 8 sentence structure.
Oh, that's interesting. So adding small phrases can make a big difference, right?
Exactly. The IELTS examiner listens for fluency, vocabulary range, and grammar variety, not just correct sentences. Let's try one more time with improvements. Rafi, tell me again about your daily routine, this time using some of those new expressions.
Sure. I usually wake up around 6:30. After getting ready, I have breakfast with my family. It's my favorite part of the morning because it gives me positive energy. Then I go to university. In the afternoon, I attend classes, and in the evening, I like to review my notes or listen to English podcasts before bed.
That's fantastic, Rafi. Your answer sounds much smoother and more confident now. So that's a wrap for today's IELTS speaking practice on daily routine. Remember, fluency comes with practice. Speak a little English every day and don't worry about mistakes.
Thank you, Sarah. This was really helpful.
You're welcome. And for everyone watching, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English Guide for more friendly IELTS practice sessions. See you in the next episode, where we'll practice IELTS Speaking Part 2. Describe your favorite teacher.